And of course, the organization that you are representing or yung may pageant na kayo or sites, websites, Facebook page.
Hi everyone, my name is Jessica Rivera. We're actually here to represent Diverse Craft PH. So pretty much what we do, we cover pageants, male pageants, or female pageants. So that's what we actually do most of the time, if you have time, of course. My expectations for this pageant, so I expect everyone to deliver the message of their advocacies. I expect them to be confident enough to be on stage and to present themselves in the best possible way. Thank you.
Ready na ito pala. Can you please give her a round of applause? Grabe. Another question pa. So, okay, let's give chance naman muna tayo. I think one more questions na lang now. So far, do you have already your bets among the ambassadors? And I think I don't want you to mention the names, but I just want you to give the observations that you have picked those candidates first-hand muna. Kasi syempre hindi pa natin narinig kung ano talaga kaya nila gawin.
And I don't really use like what you mentioned, but I will notice that there are those who are better already in the field, and there are those who still have, I think they're still shy, but you know, maybe we'll improve it the next few days before the finals. So
Grabe, no? Very eloquent. Thank you so much for sharing your thoughts. Will you please have here one